son picked this up for me at one of the big box stores. It's a Sunjo pole chainsaw. And he said I needed this. So I'm gonna take his word for it. It's a 24 volt ion system. 8-inch replacement chain included. 24 volt charger, quick charge charger included. And it has a 2.0 amp hour battery. That's a kit. And plus the charger included. There it is, and there's all the numbers. Let me see. Yep, that's it. It's upside down. Okay, here's some more stuff, Glenda. 0 to 30 degree multi-head, so it swivels. And that's good. That's a good thing. I'm not sure about the telescoping pole. But anyway, here's the directions. 350 watt motor, 8-inch bar. There's all the specs on it. The maximum gross weight is 11.5 pounds. Battery charge time is 55 minutes. Battery run time is 10 minutes. So I have a blower, which is a 40 volt. And I would suggest when you buy one of these things, go ahead and shop for you another battery, because while you're running one, the other one can be charging, and it definitely increases your run time. So we'll be unboxing this thing. As a matter of fact, let's do it now, guys. So I haven't gotten in it yet. You're in it with me. And I've got a lot of trees. I've showed you my trees. And a lot of debris and a lot of stuff. And I do need one of these things. I have to cut branches, lower branches.
Yeah, we have a lot of trees.
Yeah, I love trees. But yeah.
So I'm sure he'll be using it.
Yeah, I'm sure I'll get a lot of use out of it. But go ahead when you buy one of these things and get you another battery. I wish I'd have got one on that blower I have. Really good blower. I've enjoyed it. I've had it for, what, about a year now, Glenda?
Yeah, I think so.
And we'll do a review on it next. So guys, it had a chain on it. So it's got a chain, an extra chain with it, and that's always good. There's a little lock. Lots of tension. It's tensioned up pretty tight. So let's put a little oil in it. For sake of just trial, we won't use that. We won't use that brace right now. We'll wait. Put that on. Just gonna try it out. Oh yeah. She's a running. All right, let's go try it. Come on.
All right. I think he spied a limb to use it on. see how it works.
Need to always wear eye protection too, guys. Don't do what I'm doing here. Oh man, look at that.
So it cut that one.
Like hot butter.
Woo, timber.
What do you think, guys? Man, I might not stop tonight. Just call me Paul Bunyan here. I'm sure I'll get a lot of chances to use this thing. I believe it's going to be a good one, guys. So there she are. There you are. Sunjo. Pole saw. Oh, by the way, I think I gave, with taxes and all, it was like $70. But that is at one of the discount stores. Discount big box store. $70. Sunjo. There you go, guys.